Two Olde Dawgs here. We are at a very good friend's place to help them build a little deck in the backyard here. And what we have done is spread some base gravel in order to place our recycled pallet boards on. And we're using the recycled pallet boards as a base to build the frame for the deck. So we're going to get going with that and we'll show you how it is done. Thanks for listening to Two Olde Dawgs. Anyway, so far this morning we have leveled out the gravel in order to set the pallets flat, and we've put together a bit of the frames allowing for a 4-inch gap, 4 inches from here to here, in order to lay down some decking framing and then put the decking on top of that. So when you put the frame down and then you put your decking on top, it's going to come just about flush to here. Watch your footing. Please play safe in the sandbox. Thank you. Right, so anyway, Two Olde Dawgs here, one working, one chatting. Anyway, so far we've actually got a long way into this project, but just so you can see what we've done here, we started off with some gravel on the base to give us a level ground. Then we used a number of, I think it was about 10 recycled pallet boards for the sub base sitting on top of the gravel. That's these right here. Then we laid 2x6s across those after building the frame. The outside frame came next, then we laid these down inside as a base on top. This is like a subframe as well. And now we're just placing our boards, and you've got yourself a deck. And it's made it quite a bit quicker by using recycled pallet boards as the base for the new deck. And we'll just continue putting a few screws in, 100 or 2, and we'll get back to you. Two Olde Dawgs. Dog for Two Olde Dawgs here. Just have to say, what a great idea. Look at this completed job. We got a couple of lady friends who are just more than excited to have a deck for the summer. I don't know what to tell you. There was a lot that went into it. Ian, of course, dog number 2, engineered this in his head. I'm the wood guy. I did a lot of, I won't tell you what, but we got it all done. Anyway, we're really happy with it, and I'm sure they're going to be happy with it. It's going to be a great summer. We'd like to thank Watson Gloves as one of our main sponsors who kept our hands safe and sound during the whole process. Cheers.
We could have